Hey everyone, today we're talking about Okareo AI, a platform that promises to make your AI agents smarter and more reliable. I've checked out their website, analyzed their pricing plans, and I'm ready to give you an honest review about whether it's worth your attention. Let's dive in. Okareo AI is a platform for evaluating, testing, and deploying AI agents that helps identify errors, improve performance, and monitor agent performance. Their free plan includes up to 500 data points per month. Error detection, online and offline evaluation, custom evaluators, dataset and prompt versioning, CI/CD integration, all without requiring a credit card. The team plan $199/month offers 5K data points, with additional usage billed separately, up to 5 projects, comprehensive evaluation, persona-based agent simulation, fine-tuning pipeline, and outcome monitoring. For enterprise needs, the Scale plan provides custom terms, unlimited projects, multimodal analytics, access management, and Go reporting. Key advantages include a free tier available, powerful error detection tools, version control for datasets and prompts, CI/CD integration, and agent behavior simulation in Team Plan. Potential drawbacks are limited data points in free tier, Team Plan might be pricey for startups, and unclear language support. The Enterprise Server option in Okareo is designed for large-scale enterprise LLM, large language model applications with unique requirements. It offers fully customizable terms to meet specific business needs, including unlimited projects, advanced error alerting, on-premises or VPC installation options, governance reporting, and extended organization access management capabilities. In conclusion, Okareo AI looks like a promising tool, especially for teams serious about their AI agent quality. The free tier is a nice bonus, but serious projects will require a subscription. Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.